Hi friends, today we are going to discuss the question which is happened in JEE Advanced 2017. The question came from integration. Let's start. Our aim is to evaluate the integral value where k is ranging from 1 to 98. Our key logic is we should compress the large number 98. Simply the value 98 is taken as 1. Now rewrite the question by replacing 1 in place of 98. Then integral I will be sigma k equal to 1 to 1 integral limits k to k plus 1 upon x by x into x plus 1 dx. Now evaluate the simple integral value for k equal to 1. Integral I equal to k plus 1 as common and limits k to k plus 1. Now split 1 by x into x plus 1 into two partial fractions. 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 1 dx. What is the integral of 1 by x? Ln x. And what is the integral of 1 by x plus 1? Ln of x plus 1. Therefore, integral I equal to k plus 1 into ln of x by x plus 1 base e, the limits are k to k plus 1, because log a minus log b is log of a by b. Now substitute limits in the integral. Then I equal to k plus 1 into ln of k plus 1 whole square by k into k plus 2. Now substitute k equal to 1 in the integral value. Then I equal to 2 ln 4 by 3 base e. What is the value? Which can be written as 2 into 2.303 into log 4 by 3 base 10. What is the value of log 4 by 3? Log 4 minus log 3 is equal to 2 log 2 minus log 3. The value is approximately 0.13 because log 2 is 0.3010 and log 3 is 0.4771. Now substitute 0.13 in place of log 4 by 3. 2 into 2.303 into 0.13. The value is approximately 0.57. Now try to rewrite the options 49, 50 and 99 by using the logic. Here the value of 98 is assumed to be 1. Then what is the value of 49? 49 can be written as 98 by 2. What is the value of 98? 1. So the value of 49 is 1 by 2. Then what is the value of 50? 50 can be written as 98 by 2 plus 1. What is the value of 98? 1. So the value of 50 is 1 by 2 plus 1 equal to 3 by 2. Then what is the value of 99? 99 can be written as 98 plus 1. What is the value of 98? 1. So the value of 99 is 2. Now replace new values in place of old values. What is the value of 49? 1 by 2. And what is the value of 50? 3 by 2. Which is equal to 0.33. Integral 0.57 is greater than 0.33. Yes. Now replace 2 in place of 99. It is nothing but log 2 base e equal to 2.303 into 0.3010. The value is approximately 0.69. The integral value 0.57 is less than 0.69. True. No need to check options 3 and 4 because those two options are controversies of options 1 and 2. So the correct answers are 1 and 2. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.